Welcome guys. So welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So this problem is the 1913 maximum product difference between two pairs. Okay, so you get some so let's define a product difference. If you have two poles, then you define the difference basically a times b minus c times d. Okay, so for example, 5 6 and 2 7 is 5 times 6 minus 2 times 7, so 30 minus 14 is 16. Okay, so given an array called numbers, then you choose four distinct indices. Okay, so basically you guarantee that the number these numbers vector, right, should at least have the four elements. Let's say two different, and then you need to maximum this. Okay, so for example, this one, the maximum is 6 times 7, the minimum is 2 times 4, so it's 34. For this one, the maximum is 9 times 8, the element is 2 times 4, right? So you know that in order to make the product difference as large as possible, you need to pick up the 2, right, which their product will be the maximum. Okay, so so obviously the easy idea is that you first sort numbers, and then you pick up the minimum be the first 2, right? So the minimum product of two tuples should be minimum, and the maximum to number in the array, their product should be maximum. So it's obviously that you pick up the final one times the second largest one. So largest one times the second largest one should be the maximum, and the maximum minus minimum should be the answer, right? So that's it. Life is difficult. Okay. See you guys next video.